Sure.
Good evening. My name is Todd Asmuth. I'm the CEO of Aquamost, and I'm going to be presenting Rodolfo Ruiz here of Driblet. Aquamost is a local company. We manufacture systems that allow oil and gas companies to clean their water for reuse or disposal for less money than the chemicals they spend it on today. This makes us a very disruptive company in the water industry. Disruptive in that we're a clean technology, disruptive in that it's distributed generation, disruptive in that we can help companies save money and water in a different way. We're very pleased to be part of the entrepreneurial community in Wisconsin. The company came out of UW-Madison, Wharf IP, many angels locally who invested, including many of you in the room tonight. Thank you. Great support from WEDC and the Milwaukee Water Council. I go through all those things, not to talk about Aquamost, but to set the stage for Rodolfo. Setting the stage, not quite yet. Setting the stage in that this is another disruptive water industry company. They are looking to save money, looking to save water, but in a different way. And I'm not going to tell their whole story, but I'll give you a tease. They are combining hardware sensors, cloud software, and the Internet of Things to change the water industry. We have them here today and in Wisconsin on a long journey via Monterrey, Mexico, to Silicon Valley, to Las Vegas, and now to Wisconsin. And the reason they're here in front of this audience is Generator and the whole water culture and community of Wisconsin, as well as the great entrepreneurial energy that's really symbolized by this room. So it brings me great pleasure to introduce Rodolfo Ruiz of Driblet. Thank you.
Buenas noches, that's good night in Spanish. My name is Rodolfo Ruiz, and I am CEO and co-founder of Driblet Labs. We provide smart water management solutions. For the first time, we are allowing our customers to quantify how everything from beer to water is used not only into a property, but within a property. It doesn't matter if it is industrial, residential, or commercial. Now, I have a pretty good story about how everything started, because this description may sound a little high level, and I'm sure we can all relate it to. This is, sorry, technical problems. Thank you. This is my beautiful daughter, Elena. She's a 14-year-old girl, straight A student, more than any father, what any father could ask for. But her shower times. She loves to take long shower times. Now, as water become more scarce, not only in Mexico, but everywhere in the world, it's becoming more expensive. And it was my case. So what's the first thing that we have to do in order to manage something? First step is measurement. What do we use for measurement? Water meter, 150-year-old technology, which is good, it's accurate, but it isn't enough. Right now, in these times, we need access to more variables on real time, instantaneously. So we have created the Driblet. I'm sorry about that. The Driblet, which is the nest of the water meter. It's a very small device, and I have it here on my table. And sorry, there. It can be connected to any, thank you, to any water pipe that is 1/2 inch or 3/8 of an inch. Once connected, it will start measuring temperature and volume. And because we have an onboard Wi-Fi module, we will send the data to the cloud for you to have it. Of course, everything is patent pending, and one of the best things of the device is that it doesn't require batteries, because we have made it self-powered. So you don't need to worry about the device once it is installed. Now, because, as I mentioned, water is becoming an issue everywhere, we have gotten a lot of attention, inbound attention from all over the world. With that, we've been approached by companies like CBRE, like CEMEX, like the State University of New York, because they want to do either one of these things. They want to measure water, they want to split the bill, they want to sub-meter, they want to detect and report leaks, or they want to conserve water. It's a big issue for all of these companies. But one of the best things of the Driblet, it isn't only for water. It is also for beer. With that, the largest brewery in the world, AB InBev, they want to measure how much beer we are consuming right at the tap. We will be able to provide these guys with real-time information on how much beer and which beer is being consumed everywhere in the world. Now, the Driblet right now is $129 and our COGS is $27. But we also have a recurring revenue model of $2 per month per Driblet for you to access the data. We are going after a market of $11 billion, that's billion dollars, in 2017. The team behind the Driblet, myself, Rodolfo Ruiz, I've been working with hardware and software for over 15 years. This is actually my third startup, and I was able to successfully exit my second startup in Mexico. As a matter of fact, the first project that I did right after college was to develop a wireless water meter for Monterrey utility. My co-founder, Carlos Mosqueda, he's a talented, well-known designer in Mexico. He started first developing digital assets, and now he has moved into the physical world. And he has developed the mechanics, the hydraulics, and the manufacturing part of the Driblet. With our funding, we will be able to put 10,000 or at least 10,000 units in the market in the next year, and that is worldwide. And with that, we will be able to capture at least $1.5 million in revenue. I am very, very excited to be here. We have a great product. I have great faith in it. And I'm also very excited about being able to join this amazing community. Wisconsin is one of the leading states in water research and conservation in the US. And I'm so pleased and so blessed to be able to be here. Thank you very much.